Let me ask you a question. Why does investing feel so hard? Not just risky, not just confusing, but hard. Many people want to invest. They watch videos, they read posts, they even download investing apps, but they still don't start. And today, I want to explain why investing feels hard, and more importantly, why it actually isn't. By the end of this video, you'll understand what really makes investing feel difficult, why beginners overthink it, and how to simplify investing so you can start with confidence. This video is for beginners. No complex terms, no hype, just simple truth. Here's the first thing you must understand. Investing itself is not hard. What makes it feel hard is everything around it. Think about learning to drive. At first, too many rules, too many signs, fear of making mistakes. But once you learn the basics, driving becomes normal. Investing is the same. Most beginners don't fail because investing is complex. They fail because they are overloaded with information. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, options, dividends, charts, news. It's too much. So your brain says, let me wait. And waiting feels safe. But waiting is actually risky. Another big reason investing feels hard is fear. Fear of losing money, making the wrong choice, being embarrassed, starting and failing. Let me tell you something important. Fear does not mean investing is dangerous. Fear means you care. Most people are afraid because they don't understand risk properly. They think, if I invest, I could lose everything. But that's not how basic investing works. Long-term investing is not gambling. It's owning small pieces of many businesses over time. Yes, markets go up and down. That's normal. But historically, markets reward patience. Fear disappears when you invest money you don't need tomorrow. You focus on the long term. You stop checking prices every day. One big reason investing feels hard is information overload. Today, everyone is an expert online. One person says, buy this stock. Another says, sell everything. Another says, the market will crash. Another says, this is the best time to invest. As a beginner, who do you believe? The truth is, beginners don't need more information. They need less, but clearer information. You don't need to understand everything to start. You only need to understand what you're investing in, why you're investing, and how long you plan to stay invested. That's it. Everything else is noise. Another reason investing feels hard is this belief. I don't have enough money. Many beginners think investing is only for rich people. That is false. Today, you can start investing with small monthly amounts, fractional shares, beginner-friendly platforms. You don't need thousands. What you need is consistency, time, patience. Starting small is not a weakness. It's smart, because investing is not about how much you start with. It's about how long you stay invested. Let's be honest. Many people want fast money. They see turn $100 into $10,000. Get rich in 6 months. This stock will explode. That creates unrealistic expectations. When beginners don't see fast results, they think investing doesn't work. But investing is slow by design. And that's actually a good thing. Slow growth builds discipline, reduces mistakes, protects you from emotional decisions. Wealth is built quietly, not loudly. Now let's talk about the solution. Here's how to make investing feel simple. Step 1. Keep it boring. Boring investing works. Simple index funds. Long-term thinking. Regular contributions. No drama. Step 2. Automate when possible. Automation removes emotion. When investing is automatic, you don't overthink. You don't panic. You stay consistent. Step 3. Focus on habits, not results. Results come later. Habits come first. Good habits. Investing regularly. Recurring investment. Learning slowly. Staying patient. Step 4. Ignore noise. News will always be loud. Your plan should be quiet. Here is the real truth. Investing feels hard before you start. It feels simple after you begin. Most people stay stuck because they never take the first step. Not because they can't, but because they're waiting to feel ready. You don't get ready first. You start first. If investing has always felt confusing or scary, remember this. It's not hard. It's just unfamiliar. Start small. Stay patient. And let time work for you. If you want more simple explanations like this, subscribe to the Daily Dollar. We make money and investing easy to understand. Thanks for watching.